Hello friends, welcome to Topic Factor English. In today's video, our topic is how to make your TikTok account private. So let's go to mobile, and here we are on mobile. We will may open TikTok first of all, and after opening the TikTok, we will may click on me to go to your profile. After going to the profile, we will may click on this three dot button to make the settings open. We will may choose the option privacy. We will click on privacy and this will appear. The first option is private account. That do you want to make your account private? We will may click on this option to make the account private. And look, the account has been private. If you want to remove, click again. Click confirm and your account will be reversed to public. So like the video, share it and comment, and if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe for great videos. Thank you.